Sex rackets that online have become more active in coastal areas in the state. Crime branch's raid on Thursday night has exposed that girls from other states are being lured into prostitution. Meanwhile, Panji Court has remanded all the accused to 7 days police custody. All 7 rescued girls have been sent to a protective home. Tourist season is getting set with the rise in tourist footfall in coastal areas. To target young tourists, the pimps are running prostitution rackets using internet to contact the customers. Targeting one of such online sex racket, Crime Branch on Thursday evening placed a decoy customer and called on the phone number published on the website. The pimp called the decoy customer to a guest house at Kalangut. Acting upon the leads, Crime Branch team rescued 7 girls who were brought to Goa from Punjab and Northeast. Police also arrested the accused lady pimp and some customers. A senior police officer informed Prudent that locals rent their premises to run a guest house and pimps use such guest houses as brothel. SP of Crime Branch Karthik Kashyap said that they are on continuous vigil of such online notorious activities and police keeps raiding and arresting the accused.
Most of them appear as escort websites. Escorting per se is not a criminal offense. Therefore, we'll have to verify it by sending a decoy customer. And when there is solicitation for sex, we have booked cases. Very regularly, we have booked cases. And particularly in last 1 week itself, we have booked 2 cases. One was in Madgaon and one was in Kalangut, and we have rescued over 11 girls last 1 week itself.
All rescued girls and arrested accused were produced before the Panji court on Friday. The 7 rescued girls were sent to protective home at Mirses. All the accused are remanded to 7 days police custody. Despite the raids, many escort services are active online. The web pages are difficult to block as its servers are located mostly in America. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. 5 workers got injured in a furnace blast at RR Steel Industrial Estate in Kunkuli on Friday. The blast occurred while the steel melting was on. The workers suffered severe burn injuries due to the hot steel melt. All the 5 workers have been shifted to a private hospital in Madgaon.
5 injured persons shifted to the hospital, shifted to Trimurti Hospital, Bodda, Margam. And I have received information that they are within the age group of 25 to 30, and 2 of them are serious, and remaining 3 have received minor burn injuries.
स्पोर्ट जाला म्हणून आमकां डिटेल पळोवंक जाय म्हणून आमी येयले. तेन्ना तो PI आसलो पळय तो डिटेल घेतालो सर तेंचे. तेन्ना आमी डिटेल घेवया.
पुलीस आसा म्हणटा आतां तुमकां भितर सरपाक मेळ्ळें. कितले इंजर्ड जाल्ले
आतां आमकां डायरेक्ट आमी लास्ट ऑप्शन गेले तेन्ना आमकां डिटेल मेळ्ळे तेंचे ओन्ली 5% आर डिटेल. 4 ऑफ देम आर ऑफ बिहार एंड ओन्ली 1 ऑफ देम इज ऑफ UP. ते म्हणटा मायनर इंजरी म्हणटा ते.
North Goa taxi operators blocked exit point of Daboli Airport. They were opposing fee charge for the vehicles parked for extra time at the airport. Drivers said they should not be charged extra fees for parking as they come to pick and drop the passengers. They alleged that Century Services keep bouncers to collect money at the exit point. However, the management of the services said bouncers were capped for the security of passengers.
साहेबाक सांगले हांगासर बाउन्सर पळय हांगासर ते कोण स्लिपी घेताले ते पळय हांगासर कोणूच ना.
अरायवलाक येता थंयसर हांगा गर्दी आसता, थंय गर्दी आसता. ते गर्दी असल्या कारणान 5-7 मिनटां आमची थंयच वयता. हांगा येयल्या नंतर अडयता पयलीं ते टिकेट घेवपी आसता ते अडयल्या नंतर मागीर थंय बाउन्सर दवरले. बाउन्सर येता आनी शोय तुमकां देनाय पडे. हे कितें
हांगा दवरपाक तांकां कोणे रायट दिल्या? एकदां थंयसर स्लिपी दिवपी सारखे आसना, हांगा घेवपी सारखे आसना. तेजे उपरांत हांगा बाउन्सर दादागिरी करता ड्रायव्हरांकडे हात घालता तांकां. कोण जबाबदार?
Taxi operators blocked the exit point at Daboli for half an hour. There was a traffic jam at the airport. They are opposing bouncers being kept to collect the fees at the exit point. However, on Friday there were no bouncers at the exit point.
टॅक्सीवाल्यांक तेंगे प्रॉब्लेम आहा तो सॉल्व करपाक मागीर आनी जर तर सॉल्व जायना लेटर दी सांगितल्या जर तर सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार नेक्स्ट स्टेप टॅक्सीवाल्यांक घेवपाचो आनी टॅक्सीवाल्यान जो स्टेप घेता आनी पुलिसीन जर तर जाणे खावपा पडले जाल्यार रेजिनाल पयला आहा
कितले दिसांनी सॉल्व जावं
8 days. We have given them 8 days to solve the problem.
However, the management of the Century Services does not have a convincing explanation on the bouncers. Agency now says an automated machine will be set up to check extra timing of the vehicles.
वो कंप्लेंट निकालने के लिए हम लोग मशीन लगा रहे हैं ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम का। आपने देखा होगा इधर मशीन का आया हुआ है वो तो कंप्लेंट किसी को होना नहीं चाहिए। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम का कंप्यूटर के साथ काम करने वाला रख रहा हूँ। एक आप लोग बोला ना जो किसी का बोलते मेरा गाड़ी के हिसाब से नहीं वो नहीं होता है। हम लोग वो सब अवॉइड करने के लिए हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं मशीन रख रहे खुद टिकट निकालेगा वो खुद इधर दिखाएगा टाइम वगैरह हो गया तो उसका पैसा उसमें डिस्प्ले करेगा।
अगर चार्जेस इजीली पे करेंगे तो हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बट वो लोग रुकते भी नहीं है और लोगों के जो पार्किंग के स्टाफ है उनके ऊपर भी गाड़ी चलाते हैं।
Every vehicle is charged 100 rupees for extra parking time at the airport. Taxi operators are now opposing the system. Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.